So how do you open the calendar in Apple Watch with shortcuts, right? Let's explain that. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so there are a few things which you might mean by that, right? So the obviously the calendar can be located on the wrist like usual, right? But if you want to use some kind of shortcut, a lot of people use the hands or fist shortcuts, right? So or the gestures. So for example, on your Apple Watch, you can go to the accessibility section, then check the assistive touch, and there you have the hand gestures, which are like the tap, double tap, clench, and a double clench. And those can be like managed to do different things. So for example, I can set the clench gesture to open up my dock or show the widgets. And if I set my widgets to only like show the calendar, I can just perform that gesture and my widgets panel will display the calendar events right away, right? So I could technically get there with this type of shortcut, right? So you can see you can set it up in multiple different ways and methods, and it kind of depends on what exactly you are looking after, right? Because the calendar can also be added to your watch page or watch screen as your complication, so you always get to tap it right away, right? So it can also make the thing a little bit shorter to access your calendar, right? So if you have something very specific which I didn't cover, let me know about that below in the comments. But I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in those videos.